Hi, it's Dana, and it's your Red Drop Minute. So I have a lot of friends and people who have come across Red Drop, and they say, how did you even start this? Like, why is this even a passion? And it's a passion because as an educator, I had so many girls start their period with me. 1 year in a single gender environment, I had over 8 to 10 girls start their period with me alone in a classroom. And what I did was I made a decision that my daughters would be empowered. I have 2 daughters, one 22 and one 16. And so at that time, they hadn't started their periods, and I wanted to make sure that they were empowered. And then collectively, I said, you know what? Not just my girls, but all girls. All girls need to feel empowered and armed with information, with preparation, with products. And so I made a personal challenge to myself to ensure that at least within my control, that was going to happen. And then I found an amazing partner through my family connection. And so now we co-founded together RedDrop. And it's simple. We just want to make sure that all girls everywhere, no matter their socioeconomic status, no matter their ethnicity, no matter what circumstance they're in, that they are prepared with information, they are prepared with products that fit them, and they are prepared with knowing that there is someone out there that is ready to make sure that they're okay. That's it. That's RedDrop. And so we invite you to come and see our RedDrop minutes. We ask that you please share. Please share our IG page at RedDrop, our Facebook page at RedDrop, and visit our website at tryreddrop.com. Thank you for tuning in to our RedDrop minute, and we'll see you next time.